Hey there, Yogi. How are you? So I just got done leading today's session of the Yoga Wisdom Collective. That's my mentorship and membership for yoga teachers. And what we were going over today was Sun Salutation A. And I shared with them something that I kind of crafted from something I learned from my teacher. My teacher taught a 16-point Sun Salutation A, and I teach a 17-point Sun Salutation A. So I'm going to have to tell him that I added one more point to his 16 points. And the reason why I teach it in this way is because it's a really great way to strengthen the body and really help the body to move in a functional way. So a lot of times we start flowing through sun salutations without really thinking about how we're engaging our muscles. And then as we go over time, we start to really put more of the stress in a bad way on the joints. We kind of hang on our joints and kind of flip through it and count on them to kind of take the brunt of the work. But instead, we really want to be focusing on the muscles. So I wanted to show you the 17-point sun salutation that I've kind of crafted, and maybe you want to try it with me, and then let me know in the comments how it goes for you. I'd love to know. All right, so we'll start up at the front of the mat, coming into your mountain pose, arms by the sides. Exhale here. This is number 1. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead, Urdhva Hastasana. That's 2. Exhale, bend your knees and fold forward. Point your tailbone up, arms and head hang. 3. Inhale, your monkey pose. Reach your chest forward, shoulders back. 4. Exhale, plank. 5. Inhale, push forward. 6. Exhale, knees down, lower down, chest lands first. 7. Uncurl the toes. Inhale, back bend. 8. Exhale, lower down. 9. Lift your belly first. Inhale, push up to your knees. 10. Exhale, downward facing dog. 11. Breathe here. Roll the shoulders away from each other. Roll the forearms in, knuckles heavy. Pushing into the knuckles, sending your hips up and back. Bend your knees. Inhale, look forward. 12. Exhale, step forward. 13. Inhale, monkey. 14. Exhale, fold. 15. Inhale all the way up. 16. Exhale, arms by the sides. 17. All right, let's do it one more time, and I'm not going to count. I can't believe that I just did that and didn't mess it up. Inhale, reach your arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, fold, bend your knees, arms and head hang. Inhale, halfway up to your monkey pose, chest forward, shoulders back, flat back. Exhale, step back to plank, top of a push-up, navel towards the spine, tuck your tailbone. Inhale, push forward, shoulders past the wrists. Exhale, lower with or without the knees, elbows in, chest lands first. Uncurl your toes. Inhale, chest forward and up, shoulders away from the ears, cobra. Exhale, lower back down. Curl the toes under, lift the belly. Inhale, push up, tuck your tailbone, engage the core. Exhale, hips up and back, downward facing dog, hold here. So you may feel like you're moving in slow motion, moving through these sun salutations. Vinyasa, one of the translations, means linking the movement to the breath. One of the meanings. So if we're breathing into the count of 4, exhaling to the count of 4, which is kind of the standard length of breath for a vinyasa practice, then each movement would last 4 counts. Bend your knees, inhale, look forward. At the end of the exhale, walk or hop to the front of the mat, coming right into your monkey pose as you inhale. Exhale, fold over the legs. Look out in front of you. Inhale, come up with a flat back, arms overhead, palms touch. Exhale, arms by the sides. Let's do one more. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, plank. Inhale, push forward. Exhale, lower. Inhale, back bend, Bhujangasana. Exhale, lower. Curl the toes under. Inhale, push up. Exhale, downward facing dog. So your ego might want you to kind of flow through, like flip through this whole sequence super fast, right? Because when you slow it down, it is a lot harder and you might not feel like you're as good at it, but that's good, right? It's good to have a beginner's mindset and to start to put the ego in the back seat. Bend your knees, inhale, look forward. Then to the exhale, walk or hop to the front of the mat. Inhale, monkey pose. Exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, arms by the sides. Hold here and breathe. Bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. Just feeling your feet connect to the earth. Feeling grounded. Awesome job. So maybe that's your practice for the day. Good job getting to your mat. Maybe you want to add on some other poses and stay on your mat for a little bit longer. Again, let me know in the comments what you thought about the 17-point sun salutation and have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.